myself Rahul, and I'll be the trainer for this particular session. And in this session, we'll be talking about ChatGPT. So, may I know like how many people have yet joined? I think 9 people, right?
Yes, sir. 9 guys.
Any more joinees expected?
In between, they will join, sir. I have dropped a message.
Okay,
You can
no
start
worries.
meanwhile. Yeah, yeah.
So, let's talk about ChatGPT. So, ChatGPT is nothing but a product by an organization called as OpenAI, and OpenAI is a organization which was basically focused on working on artificial intelligence. And because major companies also knew that AI will be the future, so big companies like Microsoft and Google and everybody had invested in that company, and now they have come up with a particular product called as ChatGPT, which is basically built upon uh, you know uh, the platform GPT-3. Okay, so now this particular ChatGPT is an application. What it does is it has been trained on whatever question you ask, or whatever you ask in the form of chat, it will reply you back in the form of chat, and the reply will be in English or in multiple languages also, whichever you can select, and it will be the reply will be in a human like communication. Okay, so just let me share my screen. Okay, so now let's go here and write. So this is the OpenAI website, and here you have API integration, you have multiple resources, you have a blog and every other thing. Now here the features are ChatGPT, DAL GPT, Whisper, alignment. Okay, so we'll be talking about ChatGPT. So here, if I just try to show you what exactly ChatGPT is, so here you can just click on this Drive ChatGPT. So you'll have to sign up. So I basically already have an account. Let me. See here, if I write something like, so basically the ChatGPT application is trying to do multiple random Google search in the background and is giving me this particular output from the internet in a human readable format, which is basically correct English. Like I can also write write a C program to print prime numbers. Let's see what it does. So here, if you can see, it has actually written me the entire program. Was my screen visible?
No, sir. Kindly share your screen. It's not visible.
Earlier it was visible.
Yes, yes, sir.
So you were able to see the chat GPT thing.
Yeah.
So what I want now is all of you just create an account on chat GPT, sorry, OpenAI, and log into chat GPT, and all of you fire a single question, and let's see if it generates the same answer or different answer. It'll hardly take 5 minutes. All of you please log into chat GPT, and all of you feel free to speak. I hope all of you are doing this right.
Everyone, please respond.
So I want any one of you to just share your screen. Who's willing to do that? Just send a message on chat. Can you please share your screen? Hmm. So I want Vidya Shankara Bharti to just share your screen. Please share your screen. Okay. So just write any random question. Do one thing. Write a HTML script to generate a homepage of a website. I would want all of you to just test this. and I'll be back in 2 minutes. Hello. Yeah, I'm back. So one person has asked me the question: does ChatGPT does not have negative impact on the creativity of future generation? See, nobody can kill creativity. You can be creative. Everybody can be creative. So it is just a machine who's just trying to learn to behave like humans. Okay. So it is basically giving you answers in text format by doing the Google search and other parts also. So it will definitely not kill creativity, but yeah, it will definitely kill some of the jobs. Any other questions? So now I want you people to just create a working website, okay, in HTML only using ChatGPT. All of you can do that. Please reply.
Guys, please respond. Unmute yourself.
So pick up any topic, create a 5 page website. I want the content also to be written by ChatGPT itself, and it should be a fully functional HTML website with hyperlinks. I'll give you exactly 5 minutes, and I will want two people at least to show me. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, if you want to ask anything, you can definitely ask. One more thing which I would like to tell you is ChatGPT also gives you APIs also, which you can basically integrate ChatGPT in any of your applications. You can integrate, say, ChatGPT in a way that it automatically answers the queries of your customers. It can basically act as a chat support. So I would want you people to just let me know what all users of ChatGPT are you able to imagine. Just put it in the chat. Yeah, homework is one of them, but yeah, so OpenAI has also launched a product which will actually identify if the homework is being done via via ChatGPT or a AI written text, or it's a human generated text. So it will be able to differentiate. Snigdha, you can just refresh the page. Not review papers. Basically, you can basically write. You can get the data for any particular thing. Suppose if you want to give a chat, give a talk, or if you want to present something, you can basically get a complete guide on how to do that. Yeah, checking code is one of the very good things what ChatGPT can do. So all of you are making the HTML website. So Abhiraj is done. So Abhiraj, can you just show me your website? Share your screen. Singta, you can relaunch it, close it, and launch it again. How about others? All of you are doing? So first Abhiraj will show, and then Vidya, you can show. Okay. So all the hyperlinks are working. Okay, fine. Uh, how about Vidya? So there is no content written, is it? It's only three hyperlinks. Anyways, Vijay, you can show. Okay, Abhiraj. So fine. Now there is something. This is also looking nice. Okay. So there is something called as Dale GPT. Okay. So you can just check that also. DALLE GPT. And that basically does is it creates images from text. So I want somebody of you to just go to the Dell GPT page and try doing that while sharing the screen. So I think Abhiraj, you can do just share the screen and then just go to Dell GPT and just try to create an image out of text. Yeah. So you are basically in Dell GPT and just try to write something so that it will create an image. Mm, okay. Try something like, say, uh, create a picture of a dog on the moon. So this can basically be used to generate various ideas for creation of logos or creation of any template or pictures or anything, where whatever you type, it will generate a picture for you. Okay. So these are the two things which needs to be, which are in current trend: the Chat GPT and the Dell GPT for text and image generation, and more advancements are in progress for this. There are various other things like, artificial intelligence writers are there. There are various websites which do provide free as well as paid subscriptions, where you can write stuff, you can get it written, and like, it will be plagiarism free. It will definitely be good for writing, content for the website, or say a script for the YouTube videos or any other thing. Okay. Yes, Abhiraj, you can stop sharing the screen, and if anyone has any doubts, they can ask me. Anyone has any doubts? Anyone wants to ask anything? Anyone wants to, say something? They can just say it out loud or just put it in the chat. Yes, you can integrate or you can incorporate this in your own apps using the API section. So there are various apps already available, and even you are free to use this. Go into the API section and you will get the API, and you can just link it to your app or website, where you can basically use ChatGPT for your own purpose. Any other queries? Hmm. Hmm. If there are no doubts, then we'll wind up the session. If anyone wants to ask anything, they can definitely ask.
Guys, if you have some doubts, any queries, please ask.
Uh, Snigdha, do one thing, create a fresh account and you can start working on that. You can create a clone of ChatGPT using ChatGPT. So definitely that is possible. But the AI model which they are working on, which is constantly evolving, and they are training it also continuously. So you also need to train it to get that much efficiency. From ground up, see, it has been developed by humans only. Developers only have developed it, right? So if you plan doing like that, you can also do it. Not a problem in that. It will take a huge amount of time, effort, and you know you should have that much knowledge as well. You can definitely develop, because there will be competitors of chat gpt coming up in the future for sure. This is just the starting of the AI, and the how AI is able to take some part of work what humans do, and there will be people coming up with more and more stuff. Any other doubts? So then fine, we'll wind up the session. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you all, sir. Thank you for the session.
Thanks.